Here's something that I just saw. Very interesting. Well, here's something you don't see every day. Getting ready to hose down the engine compartment. I figured I'd just take a little time and kind of do my best to cover the body work up a little bit. Just some plastic I hung over it and taped around it. Kind of looks like we're getting ready for some surgery, or something. But so that's my next thing. I'm going to get in here and all that. I'm going to see if I can't pressure wash out a lot of that just road grime and that sort of thing. Clean it up and maybe touch up the inside of this engine compartment a little bit before we put the engine back in it. Okay guys, here we are. I'm out here working it. Got the car pushed out so I can kind of get to cleaning out this engine compartment. Show you what it looks like now. I got my work cut out for me. I kind of hit it with a pressure washer once. Squirted some degreaser on it, but a lot of it's just road grime, not really grease and not really just dirt. Just here's something that I just saw. Very interesting. That is that's a smushed brake line right there. That can't be good. Good thing that brake line is going to get replaced here with the power brake upgrade. So that's something, but I want to try to get it at least at least in the most visible places to get it to hold some paint. So I got my work cut out for me here. It's going to be a combination of pressure washing and brushing some of the shit out, scraping it off. Kind of dummied up the power brake booster in there, pulled the old master cylinder out and actuating rod, that sort of thing, and it's not in, it's just put in the holes at this point. But there you go. You see I pulled the steering gear out of it, so this thing doesn't stop and it doesn't turn, but it's pretty much apart. Fortunately, this ain't my first day on the job. I think I pretty well got it mounted. Of course, that'll have to come off of there before when I paint the engine compartment. God, that brake line to the rear, boy, the rest of it is pretty straightforward. The brake line to the rear, guys, you might want to look into doing that before you head into doing one of these conversions. Well, there you go. If you look, you can see I got the new brake line run front to back. And to say that was any easy task to get that brake line from front to back and up to the master cylinder was no easy task. I got to secure it to the frame in a couple of places. Yeah, it wasn't easy, but I got it. It was a wrestling match. And a few other choice words. Okay guys, here we go. I just gave the engine compartment a little squirt job. Like I say, this isn't gonna frame off resto or anything. However, it does appear it will be better, will be much better than it was. I did a little more on it today. Put those damn upper control arm dust covers on. What a pain. What a complete pain in the ass those things are. Man, trying to drill holes and match up the staples through that stuff. Pretty bizarre, pretty bad. And then I got done putting the wiper motor back in it because I had to go through the wiper motor, had to take it all apart, clean it up, service it, put it back together, so I hope it works. Would be a nice touch if it does. And so that was about the extent of my stuff today. Took this harness here, the original harness, I rewrapped it. The wrap on it was old and ugly, so I just rewrapped it. And then the other harness next to it is for the headlight mechanism that aftermarket headlight mechanism I installed, kit for that, so the new motors for the headlights.